You already know what it is. Yo, guess who dropped? The one and only cut. The last cut video, you know, the button one. That one was. This one, I have a good feeling about this one. Let's go.
In the intro, it's already an L.
No, that's why it's good.
Kill that leopard.
Did you? Tyler Creator once said, "Don't trust a woman in fake leopard."
Okay, well, this is going really well. Yes. Yeah.
Welcome to The Button, a speed dating show. When the button
I have
lights
no
up
idea
red,
what just
either
happened,
player-
bro.
How you doing?
Really?
Bro, she was bigger than the
Nice to
table.
meet you. Well, how are you?
I'm good.
I feel like I don't really know how to start.
Oh my god, is this bitch again? Why is she here again?
Do you want kids?
Who, either of us?
Do you want kids?
Do I want kids? I don't want kids for like 10 years. What about you?
I want kids. Like a family's like the goal at the end of the day.
Yeah.
Damn. Okay.
Last episode she was in there for way too long. Get this bitch out quick.
Okay.
Why did you press my button?
This is awkward as hell. I just don't think it was there. Hello.
How's it going?
Hi. I'm Drew.
I'm
Nice to meet you.
Julia. You have a great smile.
Yo, you man, she's not even
I appreciate
fat.
that.
Did you kill that leopard?
Did you?
Don't call me a poacher, but I might have.
Daddy.
Tyler Creator once said, "Don't trust a woman in fake leopard."
Okay, well, this is going really well. Yeah. See you on Bumble.
Sorry.
Yo, chat, I'm not gonna
Why
lie.
did you reject her?
Yeah.
I
Nigga said yo, nah, that's funny.
Outfit.
That's funny.
How are you?
Oh shit.
They talking bad about me in the back.
Is it the same people as last time?
I like your top. That's a nice flannel.
Okay, well, tell me about
Do you
yourself.
live in the UK
What makes you
or
so
America?
good?
'Cause you've
Not so
got
much that I'm so
relatives in
good. I
America.
just like everybody should know what they like, and I feel like we shouldn't waste each other's time.
Okay,
What?
so what do you not like about me?
Everything.
That's a very hard question. What do you not like about me? At first glance, what do you like?
Oh, glance only?
You
Okay,
asked
the
me.
hat.
You
What
don't like
the
the
heck
hat?
is that, bro?
It's cool.
What?
Affordable.
Hold on, why is she hating on the hat? Yeah, that shit. I'm not gonna lie, I fuck with it.
What
like
the
the
heck
hat?
is that, bro?
It's cool. It's affordable.
Sorry.
Isn't she wearing a? You know what?
Why
Yeah,
did you
that's
reject
crazy.
it?
Yeah, that's
I didn't
crazy.
like his attitude. What's your name?
Oh my fucking god! What did I say? Yo, bro, get this fucking furry nigga out of here! What the hell? Why is he here? You can't even see what the nigga look like.
I didn't like his attitude. What's your name?
My name's Taylor. What's your name?
I'm
Yo, hold on. The day I pull up to a fucking blind date and I see a nigga walking with a furry costume is the day I jump off a fucking bridge, bro. On GTA, of course. But
Kind of cool.
nigga.
So what kind of hobbies are you into?
I have an aquarium, a 55-gallon aquarium.
What? That's wicked.
Nicole, are you not gonna address?
Yo, that's
that?
the type of shit to be saying when they want to fuck. Oh, what? That's
55-gallon
wicked.
aquarium.
What? That's wicked.
Nicole, are you not gonna address?
Yo,
the
furry
elephant
knows
in the room?
what.
What elephant in the room?
So, I am a furry.
Oh, really?
The way that
Really?
I describe it is a fascination or a interest of animals doing human things.
Is
Yeah.
it a sex thing?
It is definitely not just a sex thing.
Not
if you're,
just a sex thing.
it's not.
Have you had sex wearing that?
Yes, yes.
Oh, great. God, I wasn't expecting.
Oh, he hasn't. He's a virgin.
It was nice meeting you.
It's nice meeting you. Sorry.
Furry
Nigga, that
was
flannel
quite
was
a
so
gentleman.
ass,
It
bro.
was really nice, but yeah, I'm just not into that.
This is insane.
I'm Nicole.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Cool.
So you're on a date.
Is this not the African nigga? Yo, is this not the African nigga from last time?
Cool.
So you're on a date. Patrick, why did
Oh
you
my
press me?
god.
She was on my tat. Hi.
She was not my type.
I have a question. Are you the type of
My
person
little
to
cousin
tell
saw a
someone when
furry
there's
and
something
she
in their
pulled the
teeth?
man's mask off. We got banned from that mall.
Be honest.
Bobo, yeah, yes.
Yeah? Do you
Yeah.
have something in my teeth?
No, I don't see anything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
The fuck?
Be honest.
Bobo, yeah, yes.
Yeah? Do you
Yeah.
have something in my teeth?
No, I don't see anything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yo, can someone try to explain to me what the fuck just happened? I don't understand. What's good, Josuke inside of that?
Jade, why did you reject him?
I think he was very soft-spoken. I'm Jade.
He was soft spoken.
With a D.
Jade with
Okay,
the D.
I don't know, bro.
So tell me about yourself.
Oh, you
I like
got
this
me.
guy.
I really
I like
to
this guy.
dance.
Prove it.
Dance.
Prove it.
Yo, you know what she look like? She look like one of those Black Ops 2 zombies, nigga. You know, you know one of the Easter eggs where you had the zombies dancing and shit. That's what this bitch look like.
Prove it.
Yo. Oh my god. When am I going on cut? What the fuck is happening?
Nice meeting you.
She's so fun. Why did you reject her?
There's dance moves.
When am I going on cut? Cut better get me in there.
My name's Joel. What's your name?
Izzy.
Izzy. I love
Fuck
your
that shit up.
shirt. Like, what's it?
Me
What's the
about to join the
inspiration behind
PS4
it?
I thrifted it and it was cute. Yeah.
I love thrift shops.
Jesus Christ, nigga. Fuck.
What's the inspiration behind it?
I thrifted it.
Okay.
And it was cute. Yeah.
I love thrift shops.
Wait, like which one's your favorite? Do you have any?
There's one in. I forgot the name. I'm so. I shouldn't. It's like. It's green. I forgot. Yeah, I don't.
Joel is
I
a
have
good
never stepped foot in
Christian
a
boy.
thrift shop in my
You're a
life.
good Christian boy.
I try to be.
What?
Why did you reject him?
He's a good Christian boy.
Is that a problem?
Absolutely.
Maven,
Izzy.
Well, Christians can't be dentists?
Jewelry.
appreciate you. Love the
Yo,
earrings.
thank you for the sub,
You guys find each other
Vikasar. Thank you, baby.
Pretty. You are pretty.
You're pretty too. I
could
love your
stick
skin.
3
It's like
jump
glowing. You're like,
Cheese
yeah,
coins into
radiant.
girls'
Are you
teeth.
into each other? Something happening here?
Another one.
Conversations happening.
I know. I don't really know yet.
Yeah,
What's your sign?
I'm a Capricorn.
Yep, see right there and then. See, you know how I said last time I would have jumped off the bridge if I seen a furry? You know what? I could handle a furry, but what I can't handle is a bitch asking me about this shit.
Conversations happening.
I know. I don't really know yet.
Yeah.
What's your sign?
Nigga, it's my sign to go, bitch. What the fuck? Talking about some what's your sign?
I'm a Capricorn.
God damn it. Where's the button? Nope. Nope. There's something
What?
about I like that's all that happens for me ever.
I'm grounded. That's all I know.
Yeah, that's what you guys all say.
Why did you reject Izzy?
Thank
If you're gonna
God,
like cut me
man.
off just because of my sign,
Yep,
it's not someone who I necessarily want to date.
yep, facts. Plus she's ugly.
Quick question:
Yes.
Do you like SpongeBob?
It's all right.
Are you attracted to each other?
Yeah. Hey.
It was the button.
Yo, that's so sad. You know what's crazy? The fact that he's not even ugly. Listen. Okay, yes, he's big, but he's not ugly. Look, he's not ugly. He's cute. He's a cute ass nigga. No homo. I would love him on my plate. It's just because he's fat. But if it was a woman and we decline them just because they're fat, oh my god. No, he's not ugly. He's not
It
ugly.
was the button lit up, and I was ready. I'm sorry. Hi. What's your name?
Drew,
Drew. I'm Olivia.
nice to meet you.
Yeah, this Drew wants to be light skinned as well.
Dope.
My best friend. He's a tattoo artist.
Oh, dope. I want to get a chest piece. 'cause
He's
I'm
got a
Panamanian.
rocket
I
ship
want
on his
to,
nose, though.
Signify some of that stuff.
Oh, cool.
This experience has been like cool for you.
Yeah, it's been pretty fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. It's fun just like all of us like talking about everybody. So
What's your type?
I mean, like whatever. Honestly, like I would say you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you'd be like my.
That's it. They've won. We don't even need to watch the rest of the video. We don't need to watch the rest of the video. Look at this light skinned nigga getting so happy.
That's dope.
Yeah.
I think you're cute.
Thanks.
Yeah, for sure. And I say cute because like I feel like beautiful would be kind of cliche. So I feel like as a whole, like you're very aesthetically pleasing to me.
Oh,
Yeah, for
thanks.
sure.
Yo,
What's your inner
this-
relationship? Are you,
even
like,
the way-
open
bro.
relationship? Are you like committed? Like what is this?
Oh, if I were to be in a relationship, I'd want to just be.
Oh my
monogamous.
god.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dope.
Chris
Same.
Brown.
Are you a
He actually does
jealous
look like an
person?
Asian Chris Brown. Oh my
No,
god.
I'm not either. I feel like I provide enough for them to be comfortable.
And if there's somebody that I should be worried about, then
Then they were never
just-
yours to begin with,
yeah.
right? I'm not pressing the button. I'm having a
okay,
good time.
cool.
Yes.
We're vibing.
We're vibing.
We're vibing. Okay.
Vibing. I feel
We're
that. Let's go.
vibing. Man, I hate the end of these videos. It's so boring.
Well, you would like to go on a second date?
I'd be down.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
We outside.
I love you.
Fist pump. Too.
Get
Yo,
out of
look
here.
at what the broke niggas in chat complaining about ads. Look at what the broke niggas in chat complaining about ads. Oh, yeah, it's to buy. I'm not buying that shit. What the fuck?
Man, you say me and gang really feel like Fabs, cause right now all of the gang get busy. Ain't got time for a bitch, and they got one bitch on my mind and her name Lizzie. Step in the thing, gonna make that pop stop, whipping that coke not fizzy. UK you and I listen to you, I go to my G and I say you're tizzy.